Here's a perfect pumpkin project for your fall decorating. This spalted poplar pumpkin that I made, I just freehanded everything. So I wanted to put it together, and now I'm tracing the patterns. But this is the trace mark, and this is just a regular 1x4 pressure treated. The right half of the pumpkin, and you can see there I traced this one out. This is black walnut, and these were just scraps. I'm gonna put this in for the stem, and I'm gonna finish this up real nice. But a lot of people wouldn't want a nicely finished pumpkin, but you probably can appreciate the inherent beauty of wood and be like, heck yeah, look at that pumpkin, that is bad to the bone. I rounded the edges on my belt sander, kind of made these sections. There's 5 of these pumpkin sections, and now that I got everything traced out, I'm just gonna kind of assemble this for you. Cut them out on the jigsaw, and then slapped them on the belt sander, sanded them with 80, 120, and 180 grit. Now I'm gonna glue these 2 on to the main backer. I'm gonna glue them just like that. These are glued. I went ahead and glued these on. Make it to the way you want it to make it look. I'm just telling you something to consider if you have an angle like this. You don't want it to stop a 1/4 inch above this side of the pumpkin. That's all I'm saying. When I glue these 2 halves together, I want to make sure that it's straight, flush across the bottom. That's the first time I've ever made this thing, so you guys are learning this right along with me. That's going to be the pumpkin right there. Coat of this on here after I glue it, and then I'll be right back.